Hello all, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Welcome Back Aspirant. Okay, coming to the day 4 of pre-examination training of SBI Clerk 2025. Okay, guys, I'm already making a series of pre-examination training because by default or by making all the PDFs in Telegram channel, it is enough, I feel, because if I'll try to explain the topics which are available in pre-examination training study materials PDF, it might be useful for some of the people because by seeing the PDFs, some people will not able to go through the PDFs. They are most of the people are interested to see the videos and what kind of topics are repeated. So that kind of people, I'm making these videos. If you don't want to see this video, or if you only want the PDF, I have already provided the Telegram channel link in the description. Please go and join the Telegram channel for updates and also for study materials. In any kind of study materials, I'm going to upload soon. And mainly now, till now, I have uploaded for SBI clerk and also for RRBs and that kind of exams also I have been uploaded. Please check if it required for you. Okay, guys, coming to this video, first I'm coming from, this is the part 4, part 3, part 2, part 1. So part 1 will be default of general awareness, so I'm not discussing about it first. I'll discuss it about the end, and then third, fourth parts I'll explain here itself. Okay, coming to the first, I'll come from the backward now. Coming to the reasoning point, they have clearly given here about the word. So they will give a word, one word. In that word, they will say the three or four kind of letters to us. So third letter in that word, third letter or fourth letter, third, by combining that kind of word letters, is there any meaningful word will be there. So that kind of questions they will give. So here also they have given that kind of questions. This is arrangement questions. Here you can see clearly. So the solutions itself, they have been clever at the end. It will be very good so to solve it. So if possible, guys, I have already said, if possible, I'll make a videos on solving of these questions if possible, because there is a lot of time for me. Lot of time means on my week offs, I am saying lot of time, but that time also I'm only focusing on the prelims examinations, because it is very soon. I am not sure that my exam, it will be on which date, but once admit card will be released, I'm going to update all kind of information to you all. Please be active on my channel, that's it. Okay, if possible, I'll try to make videos on these study materials by resolving all the questions. Okay, uh, and here it is puzzle inequality questions, and also they have been given one word type of questions here, and about number questions. These are all number questions. Here also puzzle questions they have been given. So please try to solve this day 4 PDF, because it is important PDF, because the questions I'm able to see, right, the questions are most similar to the prelims examinations questions. So if you solve this, it might be useful for you all. Okay, please don't miss this. And coming to the quant, they have given bar graph, pi place table. It is mains level, guys. This line, it is easy, you can do it. Prelims level question only. And again, quadratic equations, quantity based questions, and also some simplifications. In previous, on day 3, you are not able to say simplification of questions, right? So there will be step of questions they are giving in all the days. Here you can see time and distance, ports and stream questions are there, menstruation, percentage, speed, percentages. This is all the percentage questions. That's it for the quant, guys. If you want to resolve it, you can resolve it by your own. Okay, this is the general awareness. I think uh, English part is not at came, right? I'll just open it, guys. First one will be reasoning, second will be quant, third will be, okay, it might be there, miss, I don't know. There is nothing like English we are able to see here, guys. I'm already clearly opened the portal itself. I'm again opening here. Just check. First will be that. Second will be quant. That's it. They have not given about first and second. They have been uploaded. What I can say, they have been uploaded. Only reasoning point only, no issue, they have not uploaded. So in day 4 we are not having any English questions. It is only reasoning, quant and general awareness. So there is no much of saying about general awareness. Please simultaneously grow current affairs with the prelims preparation. It will be very useful for you all. And also please focus on budget type questions, and from Feb 1st please focus on current affairs daily. Just give 1 2 hours of time to the current affairs. Okay guys, I think there is no much information provided from my end. This is the PDFs, and this is the explanation about day 4 of prelims exam, day 4 of study materials of pre-examination training. So please find my Telegram channel and please subscribe to my channel. That's it, and please prepare well for your prelims examinations and make you get a job and make your parents proud and be an independent person. Okay guys, thank you.